Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday, December, actually let me turn this off. Today's Saturday, December 5th, I think, and we're going strong with VLOGMAS. My mom made breakfast today and I am so grateful for her because I actually have so much to do. So now that she's taken that out of my plate, then I can put food into my plate. Get it? My mom's creation. One for me, one for Sam, and one for her too, obviously. Eggs. Listen, I'm going to mess this up. Before we do that though, you guys know how I start the day with my grain formula. So many of you guys ask me so many questions about this. So I get it off Amazon and it's basically this formula that gives me all that I need in terms of vegetables and fruit for the day. It also helps me drink more water because I put it in water and then I just keep drinking water throughout the day. So when I do this, I find that I drink more water and I get my servings of fruit and vegetables. Although I try to eat as good as possible, sometimes, you know, it doesn't always work out like we want it to work out. So when I do this, I just feel like I start the day off right. I will link it down below. Today I actually have quite a bit to do, which is fun for you guys because we're gonna go out to get Christmas decoration. This is basically the main thing for me today. Get a Christmas tree, get Christmas decoration, get this house looking all jolly. That's the point for the day. And then I also need to get like groceries and stuff. I also have to edit. I have a ton of editing to do, which is why I'm also very happy that my mom made breakfast because I don't have to do it. Frees up my morning a little bit and I can get some editing done so that I can get a video up today because this video is gonna go up on Monday. It's all planned out, sis. I forgot that I also made, or I'm also making, some hash browns. Maybe someone can help me. I have this plant, right? And she's clearly not doing very well. She's growing, there's new leaves coming in, but the leaves that come in, they dry out like this, y'all. And I give her water all the time, every day. Look at this. This is literally coming out dry. Somebody help. What? I look a little greasy. Finally out of the house. It took me forever to get ready and Stan can vouch to that. I couldn't figure out how to do my hair, but I figured it out. She looks really cute. I like it. The main reason why we're going out is to get Christmas decorations and a Christmas tree. We have some decorations. It's the tree that I really want. I want a nice frosted tree. Gotta go to P.O. Box, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Costco because, you know, we gotta get food. So that's the plan for the day. And the sun just decided to not show up today for work. I didn't know you could do that. Oh no. I swear to you, there is always a long line here. Always. It's so annoying. that I like is out of stock. Out of stock entirely. I can't even pick it up in another store. I can't get it online. It's pretty disappointing. But I guess I'm just gonna look at decorations and then we'll go somewhere else, because clearly we want to have a Christmas tree. So I don't know, whatever. So we're home and I am so disappointed at the fact that I didn't get a tree today. I was really hoping that I was going to get a tree and that I was going to decorate the tree and we were gonna make this whole Christmas thing. But no, big fail. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because the topic of this particular vlogmas was supposed to be about decorating the tree, a tree that I don't have. I've been looking at a few trees online and I don't know how long it's gonna take if I order it online, but that may be my option, because some of the tree that I've seen in stores I don't really want, and I wanted to get a tree that's like flocked, not white, but you know, a little dust of snow on there. That's kind of like what I was looking for or hoping to get. At this point, I don't know, but I made dinner. We have some chicken and some potatoes. I'm just gonna eat and call it a day. I don't even know. I'm so annoyed. I guess Olive, what I should actually do is start braiding my hair. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. It's the universe letting me know that I should braid my hair, because I've been procrastinating. Well, not really. I just haven't really had the time, but now I have the time. I am starving. So it's the next day and I'm still trying to get this Christmas tree. Y'all, all day yesterday I was looking at trees online that I could potentially buy, and Christmas trees are sold out everywhere. Is there a memo that I missed? What's going on? I don't get it. I don't get it. Anyway, so there's one that is at Home Depot. I know I was just there yesterday, but it was out of stock where I was, but at another location, so I just bought it online. It's not entirely what I wanted. It's 9 feet tall. So it's hella tall, but I think we could make it work because we have a vaulted ceiling. We'll see, but at this point hopefully I can just get this tree and get it decorated at some point so that I can put it into this vlog, you know. That's where we at. And today I probably should get my hair braided, but that's a story for another day. So a little birdie told me that my order is ready for pickup, but I look like this. I look a little crazy. I started braiding my hair, so I have to figure out a way to leave the house and not look like I've completely lost my mind, because I gotta get my Christmas tree. This hair is not gonna hold me back. I have a head wrap. I think that should work. I just have to position my hair properly so that it does work. I also actually think that this is perfect because I need to stop by the beauty supply store and pick up some more hair. The universe is playing with me. Let's see.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
There we go. This actually looks kind of cute. It looks like I intentionally wanted to wrap my hair this way, but really it's because half my hair is not braided. No one would know. How would they know? All right, so let's go pick up this Christmas tree. Let's go. Made it to the other location. Oh, it smells like Christmas here. This is the tree that we basically bought. This one. We got it. There she is right there. Ooh. So we're back in my favorite place in the world because I don't think the amount of hair that I have is enough. So just in case, I am going to pick up what I need. Hi. Oh, I do have my mask. Thanks. Thanks, you too. Bye. So I'm still in the process of doing my hair when Stan called me talking about he's putting the tree up. Excuse me? Does he not understand that I need to film this process? He already opened the box, y'all, and everything. Look. Like he was gonna do this without me. Stan, how could you? Okay, well, let's do this. Put it up. There's instructions?
Look at you, you're not even helping me.
Okay, well, I didn't. My job is to film this process. I'm trying to film this, not actually help. Look, here, I help.
I can barely hold this thing.
Boom. I contributed. You can't say nothing. Apparently, we do have instructions. But, I mean, we don't need that. I kind of wanted to put it in this corner. That's where the tree was last year. I think it will look nice there. It could also work here, but it depends on how tall the tree really is. What do y'all think? I think this is a good spot. Oh, it just opens up by itself, really. Oh, it looks good already. I like it, girl.
Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I will.
Nice. Love. That looks really good. And we haven't even put our decorations on yet. It's a tall ass tree. She's up. Oh, she looks so good too. She's super tall. Okay, girl. You already know it's filmed. So, I did my hair today. Finally. Y'all were legit like, so you're not gonna start this challenge? Honestly, I just wanted to come on to end the vlog, but mainly to kind of show up my hair and makeup because Sis is looking good. You know, I don't dress up often, but when I do. So yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog. You guys, this is going great. I'm still in awe. I'm working really hard, but we're whipping these videos up, baby. I'm not even joking. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad that I have to take off my makeup because she looks good. And I'm sorry I didn't film it. I had to do my hair really quickly because it's literally like midnight right now. And when I did my makeup, it was like 9 p.m. And I did it so that I could finish the last video, which is the one on this hair. So yeah, it was super late. I didn't film it, my bad. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't see the tutorial on these passion twists, honey, I will link it down below and, you know, in the cards. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.